Welcome. Today we're diving into the essential parts of a computer. Whether you're a beginner or just curious, understanding what makes up a computer is the first step to mastering technology. We'll break down the three main components: hardware, software, and data. Each plays a unique role in how computers work and interact with us every day. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of what's inside your computer and how it all comes together to help you accomplish tasks, play games, or connect with others. Let's get started by exploring the first major component: hardware. Hardware is the physical part of your computer, the pieces you can actually touch and see. Think about your monitor, keyboard, mouse, and even the computer's case. Inside, you'll find more hardware like the CPU, hard drive, and memory chips. Each of these components has a specific job working together to make your computer function. Without hardware, there would be nothing for the software to run on. Next, let's look at some common hardware examples you might recognize. Let's take a closer look at some everyday hardware. The monitor displays everything you see, from videos to documents. The keyboard lets you type, while the mouse helps you navigate and click. Inside the computer, the CPU acts as the brain, processing instructions. The hard drive stores your files, and the printer lets you create physical copies of your work. All these parts are crucial for a computer to work smoothly. Now that we've covered hardware, it's time to move on to the next key part: software. Now let's talk about software. Unlike hardware, software isn't something you can touch. Instead, it's made up of instructions or programs that tell the computer what to do. Software is what makes your computer useful, allowing you to write documents, browse the web, or play games. Without software, hardware would just sit there, unable to perform any tasks. Let's break down the two main types of software you'll encounter. Software comes in two main types: system software and application software. System software includes things like operating systems, think Windows or Mac OS, that manage the computer's basic functions. Application software, on the other hand, includes programs like Microsoft Word, web browsers, or games. These are the tools you use to get things done or have fun on your computer. Both types of software work together to make your computer experience smooth and productive. Next, let's see how data fits into the picture. Data is the information your computer processes or stores. It can be anything from text in a document, images you view, audio files you listen to, or videos you watch. Data is what gives meaning to your computer's actions. When you save a file, send an email, or stream music, you're working with data. Computers use data to perform tasks, generate results, and help you stay organized. Let's look at some examples of data in action. Think about the files you use every day: a text document for your homework, a photo from your last vacation, a song you love, or a video you just watched online. All of these are different types of data. Computers can handle many forms of data at once, making it easy to store, retrieve, and share information. Data is essential for making your computer experience personal and meaningful. Now let's see how hardware, software, and data work together. Computer only works well when hardware, software, and data interact smoothly. The hardware provides the foundation, the software gives instructions, and the data is what gets processed. For example, when you type a report, the keyboard hardware sends signals to the word processor software, which then saves your words as a file data. Each part depends on the others to function properly. This teamwork is what makes computers so powerful and versatile. Wrap up, let's review what we've learned. Computers are made up of three main parts: hardware, software, and data. Hardware is everything you can touch, software is the set of instructions that tells the hardware what to do, and data is the information that gets processed and stored. Understanding these basics helps you get the most out of your computer and opens the door to learning even more about technology. Thanks for joining this overview of computer parts.